Good morning, everyone. Lisa, I already gave this at the chat box of your e-portal. You can check there. Good morning. So let's start your science class. Everyone open the book at page number 31. Page number 31. Okay. Today we will discuss this exercise part of this chapter, bones and muscles. Okay. So take your science copy book with you. And your term 1 syllabus will happen from first chapter to this 7th chapter. Okay, these bones and muscles, up to bones and muscles, from first chapter to this 7th chapter, up to page number 32. Up to page number 32. Yes, Purbayon, now open page number 31, the exercise part of your 7th chapter, bones and muscles. Okay, so let's start with question A. Tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. Here you have two questions with 3 options. Okay, and you have to choose the correct one. First one is hard thing under our skin is. Here you get 3 options: muscles, B blood, and C bone. Hard thing under our skin is. So tell me what will be the correct answer. Very good, Shrestha, Ashmit, Ayush. Very good, Lisa, Amartya. So that is bone. That is bone. Option C, bone. Right? So hard thing under our skin is option C, bone. Very good, Purbayon, Samriddho. So that is bone. Now go to the second one. Very good, Shomagni. Question 2. Total number of bones in our body is. Total number of bones in our body is. Here the first option is 203, second option is 206, and third is 209. So choose the correct one. Very good, Amartya, Shrestha, Ayush, Shomagni, Purbayon. Very good. And others give the answer. Total number of bones in our body is 206. Very good. Option B, 206. 206 bones we have. Yes, very good. You all gave the correct answers. Now go to the question number B. Go to the next page at page number 32, and this is question B. Tick the correct postures and cross the wrong one. Very good, Lisa. Tick the correct postures and cross the wrong one. I already told you the previous day what's are the correct postures and what's wrong. So here you can see the 4 pictures. First one, the boy is sitting bent, and the second one, a girl is moving straight. Third one is also he is bending, and fourth one is the boy is sitting straight. So choose the correct one. Choose the numbers. Very good, Purbayon. Yes, Amartya, don't write here X. You can write cross or tick. Very good, Ayush Pal. And others, give the correct answers. Which 2 postures are correct and which 2 postures are wrong? Lisa, mention the number of those pictures. Which are correct and which are wrong? Very good, Shrestha. Not only 2 is correct, there are one extra also. Yes, very good, Ashmit. Very good, Shomagni. So we get here 1 and 3. Those 2 pictures are wrong. 1 and 3, those are wrong. We cross them, right? And 2 and 4, those 2 pictures are correct. Those are tick, right? So 1 and 3, those are wrong because they are bent. 2 or 4, they move, they sit and walk straight. So that's why those 2 postures are correct. Very good, Lisa, Shrestha, Samriddho, very good. As you all know that we have to stand, sit and move straight, right? Very good. Very good, Samriddho. Now go to the question number C. Go to the question number C. You have to write it in full sentence, okay? I am writing here also in full sentence, and you all have to write those answers in full sentence. There are fill in the blanks. There are fill in the blanks, and you have to complete those blanks with the help of the words given in this blue box. So with help of those words you have to fill those blanks. So let's start with question 1. I am writing here in full sentence, and you all have to write those answers in full sentence, okay? Not the picture. Kaushik, write it in full sentence. Shrestha, Purbayon. Very good, Ayush. Muscles make the bones dash. Muscles make the bones dash. Here 3 words: skeleton, muscles and move. So choose the correct one. Very good, Shrestha, Lisa, Shomagni, very good. Kaushik Ghosh, I told you to write it in full sentence. Very good, Amartya. So muscles make the bones Move. Very good. Muscles make the bones move. So here move is the correct word. Very good, Samriddho. And others, where the answer of others? Purbayon, write it in full sentence. Deboshmita, Kritika, write here in full sentence. Now go to the question 2. All the bones together form the dash. All the bones together form the dash. Very good, Purbayon, Amarta, Ashmit, Kaushik, Lisa, Shrestha, very good. You all gave the correct answer. Very good, Shamagni. All the bones together form the dash. I use that is not from, that is form. F-O-R-M. F-O-R-M. Correct your spelling. All the bones together, yes, all the bones together form the skeleton. Form the skeleton. All those 206 bones together form the skeleton. Very good, everyone gave the correct answer. Now go to the question number 3. There are more than 600 dash in our body. There are more than 600 dash in our body. So what will be the correct answer? Very good, Ashmit, Shrestha, Ayush. Very good, everyone. And others? Yes, Ayush, tell me. Very good, Lisa. So there are more than 600 muscles in our body. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. So here the correct word is muscles. Very good. So we completed question A, question B and question C. Did you all write those things at your copybook? Very good, Ashmit. Very good, Samriddho. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. So we completed the A, B and C, those 3 parts. Now see these think and answer questions. Here the question is, why should we play outdoor games? Why should we play outdoor games? First of all, you have to think about it, then answer it. Okay? First of all, you have to think about it, then answer it. This is the question E. Question E. Question D we will discuss later. Okay? So here, why should we play outdoor games? We should play outdoor games because it keeps our body strong, fit, healthy and in good shape, right? I am writing here the answer. If you can't do this, you can copy these answers at your copy book. Okay? We should play outdoor games because it keeps us fit, strong and healthy. Strong and healthy, right? And in good shape, right? You can copy these things from the board. I am repeat it again. Question E is why should we play outdoor games? Listen very attentively. If you can see the board and copy these things at your copy book. Why should we play outdoor games? Answer is we should play outdoor games because it keeps us fit, strong and healthy and in good shape. Did you all write this? Did you all write these things? Okay, Ayush, write it. We should play outdoor games because it keeps us fit, strong, healthy and in good shape. Very good, Lisa. And others? Shrestha, Kritika, Purbayon, Ashmit. Very good. Ayush, have you complete now? Have you done it? Very good. Deboshmita. Okay. So I am now erasing it. Let's see the question F. Tick the correct answers. See? Tick the correct answers. Here is valuable corner questions. You can see our bones and muscles work together to make us walk, run and play. These things you already know, right? Our bones and muscles work together to make us walk, run and play. What value do you learn from this? What value do you learn from this? Very good, Purbayon. Now give me the answer of question F. What value do you learn from this? That is, first one is teamwork, second option kindness and third option honesty. Yes, Shrestha, Ayush gave the correct answer. And others? That is very easy. Question F. And the correct answer is option A, teamwork. So if you do anything together, you will get success, right? you will get success. Very good, Ashmit, Kaushik, Somagni, very good. So our bones and muscles work together to make us walk, run and play. What value do you learn from this? This is teamwork, right? This is teamwork. Kritika, you didn't answer anything in your chat box. Did you all write it at your copybook? Did you everyone write it at your copybook? So today we completed except question D. A, B, C, E, F, we completed those 5 questions, right? Yes. And this D is your homework. You have to do this at your home, and I will tell those correct answers at your next class. Okay, everyone? And your syllabus, maybe you didn't get, your from first to this up to this, okay? Up to 7. From first chapter to 7th chapter. Okay? From page number 5 to 32. 5 to 32, okay? You can mark those things on your book. Okay, everyone, so do your homework, read those chapters, read those 7 chapters very attentively, and do your homework, those exercise part, practice those things again and again, okay? Have a nice day. That's all for today, and bye.